Hello, I'm Philip Stoten from EMS Now. I'm here at APEX 2013 in San Diego, California, and I'm joined by Sunil, who is the Software Business Development Manager for SIPLACE ASM Assembly Systems.
For the Americas, that is correct.
For the Americas, yeah. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Just tell me a little bit about what your role is within the organisation,
Sure.
And what kind of demands are you seeing from the US market in terms of software challenges?
So over the years, our software portfolio has expanded exponentially. You have the hardware capabilities of a system, but the hardware can only do as much as the software can let you do. So we have realized the growth potential that software can help us with our hardware business.
Yeah.
They both go hand in hand. So my role with ASM is to promote our software portfolio and work with customers in identifying opportunities to improve their processes.
Okay.
So that's what we are.
And in terms of their software needs, what are the challenges that are driving them? We hear constantly about the very high mix here in the US, the lower volumes.
Right.
Obviously, changeover becomes an important element there.
Sure. The Americas market, more specifically North America, has experienced a lot of transition from the high volume days to extremely low volume production. Could be because of the manufacturing capabilities, could be material demand, material shortages. And we have realized that, and we have come up with tools that can help us group your production or group the boards that you plan on building into families of setups. So by doing so, you can run more boards at any given time and reduce the number of setups or changeovers that you do. So we have different tools available to do that.
Okay. And in terms of the way those tools operate, they obviously interact with the heads, with all the different things.
Absolutely. So we have the hardware capabilities on the line. Our heads can handle a wide range of components. So that gives us the flexibility on the hardware side. On the software side, we have tools that factor in cycle time requirements, production requirements, quantity of boards to be built. It factors in, the software factors in those demands and comes up with the best strategy to create your setups.
Okay, so it can also help you with the day's production planning as well as just the individual setups.
Sure, absolutely. It could be a day's worth of production planning, could be weeks worth of production planning, and it's very flexible in the sense that if your production plan changes,
which it does,
sure, it happens all the time. You can always factor those changes in seamlessly. So it's a very it's a very smart software tool and very dynamic.
Yeah, well, I was going to say, I was going to ask about dynamic. I mean, you're able to make those changes on the fly, and you're able to do the work offline, so the lines kept running, I guess.
Correct. The line, you're only making money if you're placing components. So the idea is to offload that work from your line, do it ahead of time, so you can plan better for those changes when you have to run. So certainly you can do this way ahead of time and helps you prepare better for those production.
And have that agility and flexibility.
Absolutely.
When you need it. What about training as you develop more software solutions? Do the operators have to become more versed in what you do, and do you support them in that?
The goal is always to make the software, in my opinion, should be very intuitive in the sense that when an operator uses it, it has a nice user interface, a nice flow to it. So we do try to minimize the amount of training required, but yes, absolutely, there are multiple ways we do training, either via an online tool or be on site and work with the operators, and the goal, or be it a built-in online training system within the software itself, which can guide the operator on what they should be doing to use the tool. So yes, we do have those capabilities.
You have those capabilities. And last question: when you're developing a software solution for a client, I guess they don't necessarily know what they want. You go in on a consultative basis and kind of figure out a solution for them?
Right. there are situations where a customer has some level of understanding, but they don't understand the scope of what the software can
Right.
do. In that case, you spend more time in trying to gather the requirements for that project, and then it may not be just one software package. It may be a combination of multiple software packages that may address what you're looking for. So you get those situations as well, but our software portfolio helps us
It's
bring
broad enough
everything
to
together.
do that. And you want to develop a solution that gives the maximum benefit to that investment value. Excellent. Well, Sunil, thanks for stopping by.
Well, thank you so much, Phil.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
It was
We'll
very
talk
nice to
again
meet you.
soon. Thank you.